Hi everyone! Are you looking for an easy, inexpensive and instant way to have hot water? Have tried, like me, expensive hot water dispensers with expensive filters impossible to find? Have enough of wasting water because you only need 1 cup of tea and no one else in your family drinks it? Here is the solution I found, and I'm sure it will help you too. I'll show you 3 different ways to make hot and warm water with your TASSIMO Brewer. I invented 2 of them when I bought this coffee machine years ago. Of course, you can buy ready-to-use tea discs to make tea and hot chocolate, but the choice is limited. Using my tips, you'll be able to obtain the exact quantity of water you need. Probably you already have your TASSIMO Brewer. If not, the Bosch company makes interesting discounts and even offers sometimes its machines on interesting conditions. Are you interested? Let's start then.